Monday, July 9th, that's next Monday, 2018, Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm case begins. Boy, Gaza Nation, I am so excited. I am super excited. I can't even tell you how excited I am. But in that process of being super excited, I am still cautious that we're dealing with a Jamaican government system that wrongfully accused a man of committing a murder. And with that in mind, I am still cautious. But nonetheless, 4 years of waiting, I am so delighted. Leave your thoughts below because I know I am not the only one excited. I can't wait until next week, Monday. I clean all of my business, clear all of my slate because I am ready and revving to go. Are you excited as I am? We are confident in our lawyers. We know that they will present a solid case, but we also know that the system is against us, a rep for the dancehall hitmaker told the news. Now this here gives me hope and confidence in the team that is handling this case. Just like me, they're not going in overconfident, they're not going in overexcited, they're approaching the case cautiously, and that in itself tells you that's a different mindset and it's a different approach, and they are prepared for anything. So far so good. I like it. Vybz Kartel murder conviction began March 13, 2014. Vybz Kartel real name Adisha Palmer and his co-accused Sean Storm Campbell, Kahira Jones and Andrew St. John were convicted for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Another co-accused, Shane Williams, had his charges dropped after cops were unable to link him to the murder. So no differently to the case being dropped for Shane, the case for Vybz Kartel, Kahira Jones and for Sean Storm should have been dropped as well, because to date I am yet to see what linked him to the murder or them to the murder. But let's listen as the plot thickens. Law enforcement authorities say Lizard was a friend of the artist and was killed over 2 missing guns belonging to the dancehall icon. Now I'm going to say this for the last time. Finalmente, finito, never again to be raised by me or discussed. Lizard was never a friend of Vybz Kartel. Lizard was a friend of Sean Storm, not Vybz Kartel's friend. The only truth made in the statement I just read is that Vybz Kartel is a dancehall icon. Prosecutors played video and audio records of Kartel and his co-accused plotting to kill William over the missing firearms. In one of the audio recordings, one man was heard telling another man that William's body was chopped in fine pieces and disposed of in the sea. The victim's body was never found. Now when I hear this so-called evidence or saw this so-called evidence, I cackle all the time. Ha ha ha, and I laugh even to this very day. What evidence? I have not seen evidence. I don't see any body. I never hear Lizard name mentioned one time in that audio. I didn't see any video with anybody in there. So who are they talking about? Anybody can have a phone. I could have recorded this about somebody some time ago and the police had the phone tampering with the evidence. So as far as I'm concerned, I don't know what they're talking about. Can't stand up in courts of law. Only maybe in the one that Jamaica put up against my artist, but in any normal court of law, can't stand. Vybz Kartel sentencing began on April 3rd, 2014. He was sentenced to life in prison for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. The Fever DJ will have to serve 35 years before being eligible for parole. Sean Storm was also sentenced to life and will have to serve 25 years before getting a parole hearing. Kahira Jones and Andrew St. John will have to serve 25 years and 30 years respectively before being eligible for parole. Now I'm yet to see the justice system outside of Jamaica that sentences a man to life imprisonment with a recording, not even a body. No part of the world you get sentenced without evidence, without a body, let alone life imprisonment. Jamaican system is a farce. Jamaica's system is flawed from the head to the foot. And Jamaica's system will be vindicated if and only when they set Vybz Kartel free. Outside of that, I have no belief in this system. It is a fallacy and it is concocted with lies from the head to the root. In 2014, Kartel's legal team formally filed legal documents for his appeal. Throughout the trial, the dancehall DJ maintained his innocence while his attorney argued that there were numerous problems with the case, including police tampering with evidence and intimidating witnesses. Cops were accused of improperly handling the cell phone evidence, which the prosecution used to convict the four men. In March 2017, Vybz Kartel was given the green light to proceed with his appeal after the Court of Appeal reviewed his case and ruled that he has grounds for a new trial. The appeal trial date was originally set for February 19th of this year, but his legal team asked for more time to prepare for the case. The trial was then pushed back to July 9th, 2018, which is a week from today. Anybody who knows Blessed D Gaza Diva knows that this is one of the most exciting times of her life. I came on YouTube because of my artist, and when my artist is free, I'm sorry, but high possibility that you won't be seeing me as much. But the long and short of it is, for the fanfare, I will definitely be sticking around. But let me know your thoughts below. What do you think about the case? Are your fingers crossed? Are you praying? Are you hopeful? Are you just waiting to see? Are you calm? Do you just want to see the end of this case? Let's have a discussion below. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.